So as a full-time RVer, one of the biggest problems we have is trying to, well, deal with traffic. No, honestly, is keeping this big boy clean.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
You know, we can't usually wash it in a campground. Most campgrounds have rules forbidding you from washing your RV, or if they do allow it, they charge you a lot of money. So we have to come up with a different solution, because not every place has a mobile RV detailer that can come by and take care of you. So we have to figure out a way to do this on our own. Did a lot of research on the internet, and this is what we came up with, because it seems like it's probably the most popular solution among RVers. And I just put the box up here. It's from Aero Cosmetics. Now this box, as you can see, one long box. I just got this in the mail today. So what's in this box? A whole lot of stuff. And we're gonna look at that in just a second. But the cool thing about this Aero Cosmetic stuff is this is waterless. So you can use this to wash your whole rig anywhere. Let's see what's in the box. Everything you see on this table was in the box, including the bag to put all this stuff in, container of the Wash Wax ALL, different pads, towels, bug scrubber, reusable scrubbing pad. So that was all in the box. We're gonna have a link in the description below to Aero Cosmetics, to the exact product I bought. This is a telescoping pole here. So it's 12 foot, so we can reach, well, 12 feet. And the cool thing about this is Aero Cosmetics, this is made specifically for aircraft, auto, marine, and RV usage. So we're very excited about this, and we're going to show you how these products work right now. So what you just saw was filmed in October of 2020. It's now May, and now we're finally getting ready to actually use this stuff for the first time. Yes, it's been a crazy few months. So as a comparison, we have Random Stranger over here actually washing his RV the old-fashioned way with water and soap and everything else. We don't want to bug Random Stranger because he looks busy, but he's doing it the old-fashioned way. So now we're going to do this rig with the Aero Cosmetic stuff, and well, it's been a few months since we washed it. Let's take a quick look at the, shall we say, before. You can see here there's a lot of bugs here. So let's take a look and see what Aero Cosmetics is going to do to make this coach look clean. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get rid of those bugs we just showed you, and we're going to follow the directions here. So we're going to need this bug scrubber here. We'll go ahead and pull this out. As you can see, got an extra pad. One side you got the scrubber, and the other side you got the soft spot. Spray the vehicle down with this, let it set for 5 or 10 minutes. After that, you spray it again and get to cleaning. So let's spray it down. So we sprayed it all down. Used about that much, not a whole lot. And now we wait 5 minutes. Now we're going to try to get rid of these streaks here. Spray bottle in hand. Give everything a quick spray. One of the included towels. And wow, that came right off. Look at that. Turn it over. All right, this is actually the first time I've actually used this stuff and cleaned an area, because we're still waiting for the front to soak in on the bugs. I'm shocked. I'm surprised. This is awesome stuff, and it smells really good too. Bonus. So let's just keep working, shall we? Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Like the instructions said, go ahead and spray this down. I'm not real hopeful on this, to be honest with you, because the sun's shining right on this, so I picked a really poor time of the day to do this. But we'll see what happens. We're gonna go ahead and reapply on here. I'll actually go ahead and spray a little bit on here too. Let's get to work. I am not pushing this. I'm not using a whole lot of elbow grease, but these bugs are coming right off. Up here's the problem because I couldn't get up there to spray. A ladder would be nice, but you know what? For this test, I'm pretty happy. All right, let's put the big brush on this and let's see what kind of cleaning we can get done. Big brush installed, and on the inside here, it tells you dry side, and that's the label. The whole label's white. Wet side, the whole label's black. All right, so we're gonna spray down the wet side pretty good. Let's do some cleaning. The nice thing about this brush too is you can use it on the basement doors and stuff too, so you don't have to bend over or lay on the ground. And that's what I'm going to be doing here in a second. So we're going to keep going with the big brush up top and along the bottom. It's going to miss some areas because of nooks and cracks. Then we'll switch to small brushes. It took about me by myself 20 minutes to do the side, the whole side. Now we're on the back side, and this back side is dirty. As you can see, all the road grime, mud, etc. Grime. Let's clean it up. Mud, etc. Let's clean it up. So bad back here, I switched to the degreaser. Seriously, look at this. Just a couple swipes. So that's it. We haven't washed this rig in probably 3 or 4 months, and with the Aero Cosmetic products, we got this thing clean and waxed, because it's a wash and a wax using no water. It took us about 15-20 minutes on this side, 15-20 minutes on the other side, about 10 minutes on the back, another 50 on the front, so right around an hour. No water used. Still got plenty of product left over, and so now we just have to enjoy our clean rig. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about this product, please leave us a note in the comments below. If you'd like to help us help small local veterans charities, please consider becoming a Patreon or YouTube member. Links to both of those are in the description below. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you'll be one of the adventure seekers, and ring that notification bell so you'll know when we drop new content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope your next journey is an epic adventure. Bye.